Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Our general contractor is here and we're getting air conditioning. This should be a pretty easy video from me because I don't have to do any of the work. I just video and document the process. They have everything unpacked and unloaded, are getting ready with all their tools and going over all the different wires and things we need for the air conditioning and electrical.
On the junction box, right now the junction box.
They are mostly done in here. These are all the stuff we're gonna use today. Let's head to the back and watch them install the condenser. They should be working on it already. Here's some of our succulents. Let's check out what they're working on. Here is where we are at. It looks like they have the electrical hooked up. They are working on other parts of the house. Let's take a look on the inside. We have someone working on the unit above the furnace. And, yeah. Beautiful. They are all done inside. I am not too sure what all I am looking at. They separated the old furnace from the duct to add this AC unit and also had to add this water pump. Not only are we getting air conditioning, but since they were in the attic and running wires, we also had them come into the garage to help us put in a Tesla charger and a couple of outlets for future garage door opener, and they're gonna add another outlet on that side. They're pretty much all done in here. The Tesla wall charger is going in. Now the last part is welding the air conditioning condenser in the back here. And we got our guy working on it. Gonna get some hyperlapse. They are all done. I am not too sure what all I am looking at, but we do trust our general contractor and we really like him. There is a kitty cat. Let's go inside to test the central AC. We are using Google Nest and I think this should work. Cool. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the AC is working. Video 45 done. We got fire.